It's the biggest healthcare fraud case in history. Federal prosecutors say these men have all pled guilty to fraud in the tune of nearly $175 million. All of them are from Tampa. In fact, Larry Everett Smith was the latest defendant to plead guilty.
And ultimately, they're charging these insurance companies who are paying them for items that the consumer, that the person needed, didn't request and didn't meet, and just padding their own pockets.
Court records show the men submitted millions of dollars worth of bogus prescriptions to giant pharmacies, including CVS Caremark, Optum, and others. With the help of telemarketing companies, the scam involved tricking unsuspected patients into providing personal medical and insurance information. From there, the scheme got more elaborate.
When you look at this entire scheme, what they're doing is they're using our healthcare industry to fraudulently get prescriptions, to give prescriptions to people who don't need them, to create pharmacies that they actually own and control to further their scheme in making millions and almost $1 billion.
Most of these Tampa Bay men have pled guilty to conspiracy to commit healthcare fraud, and some have agreed to pay millions of dollars in restitution, but all are looking at time behind bars. Federal prosecutors say it's one of the most complex and sophisticated scams they've seen, with ties right here in Tampa Bay.
We're talking about almost $1 billion in fraud committed against these healthcare providers.
Gloria Gomez, Fox 13 News.
The men will be sentenced in October. Many face up to 5 years in prison.